Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make easy cauliflower Manchurian recipe. This cauliflower recipe can be served along with rice, fried rice, rotti, chappathi, naan. Let's move to the video. In a container, take some water, add half teaspoon salt, add 300 to 400 grams of cleaned cauliflower pieces. Boil for 3 minutes on high flame. Remove the water and keep it for later use. In a bowl, take 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Add some water and mix it well. Make it into right consistency. Now add the cooked cauliflower pieces into the batter. Mix it and coat the batter on cauliflower nicely. Keep marinated for at least 30 minutes. In a pan, take 3 tablespoons oil and heat it. Now add the coated cauliflower pieces and deep fry on high flame for 4 to 5 minutes. After frying, remove it into a bowl for later use. Now we can make the sauce for the cauliflower Manchurian. Pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. We can use the same oil which we used to fry the cauliflower. Then add 1 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 finely chopped capsicum. Mix it, saute for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Keep it low flame, then we can add the sauces. One tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, add 3 tablespoon tomato sauce. Also add half teaspoon pepper powder and half teaspoon salt. Mix it well and saute for 2 minutes on low flame. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Now we can add the fried cauliflower pieces into it. Mix it well and cook for just 2 minutes on low flame. We can switch off the flame. Our tasty cauliflower Manchurian is ready. Finally, add some chopped capsicum for garnishing.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.